3. Start.
I am Srividya here. Completed my MSc B.Ed in Maths. With a view to helping the students, I have started online Maths classes for intermediate and 10th and degree for BTech also. Today we will start with 2B. You know that for second year 2A, 2B. For mathematics 2A and 2B are there. Today we will discuss about 2A. In 2A first chapter is circles. First chapter circles. In the circles weightage are 2 marks. 2 marks is nothing but 1 BSAQ. Very short answer type questions. 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 7. That is 7 plus 2 long answer questions, 1 short answer question and 2 very short answer question will come from this. Total 22 marks. Here the weightage is 22 marks for the circles. Now definition of a circle. Definition of a circle. The set of all points which are equidistant from a fixed point, is called a circle. Like this, which are equidistant. The set of all points which are equidistant from a fixed point is called a circle. Here fixed point is called a center of a circle. Fixed point is called a center of circle. From fixed point to any point on the circle is called a, this is a circle. Let us take a circle. Here the fixed point is here. Fixed point is called a center of the circle, and from fixed point to any point on the circle is called a radius of the circle. Here center of the circle is denoted by C and the radius is denoted by small r. Okay, na? How many radius are there in a circle here? So many radius, infinity radius. This is a circle. Now, standard form of a circle. Standard form of a circle. Standard form of a circle. A plane can be divided into 4 equal parts. You know that this is x-axis. This is a negative x-axis. Here it is y-axis. And this is a negative y-axis. Here origin is 0, 0 is denoted by 0. And the circle will be like this here. This is the circle of the plane. Here the 0. Origin is 0, 0. Standard form of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square. X square plus y square is equal to r square. Here circle passing through the origin. Here origin is 0, 0. Origin is the center and the radius. Radius is denoted by small r. For example, find the equation having the center 0, 0 and whose distance is 3 units. Question will be like this. Find the equation having center 0, 0 and a radius 3 units. Solution. What is given here in the question? Center is 0, 0. center is denoted by C, 0, 0, and the radius also given. Radius is denoted by small r is equal to 3 units. Now we use standard form of a circle here. What is the standard form of a circle? X square plus y square is equal to r square. This is the formula for this. Therefore, x square plus y square is equal to r square. Here r is a 3 square. Therefore, x square plus y square is equal to 3 square is 9. This is the required equation of a circle. This is the first one. Standard form of a circle. Next, we have two types of equations. First one is standard form of a circle. Here passing through the origin. This is case 1. Now let us take case 2 here. What is case 2? Case 1 is a passing through origin. Passing through origin and the radius is r. Here passing through any point h comma k. Passing through any point x dash, y dash. It is the center. This is the radius. Center and radius. This is center here. Here the formula is the equation having the center h comma k, center C is h comma k, and the radius r units. Center C is h comma k and the radius r units. Then the equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. What is the difference between these two? First one is passing through origin and the radius is x square plus y square is equal to r square. In case 2, passing through h comma k. Here passing through h comma k and the radius r units. Then the equation of circle will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So these two are the equations of the circle. For example, example 1, example 2. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle passing through. Find the equation of a circle passing through 3, 4 and a radius 5 units and the radius 5 units. Now solution. The equation of circle passing through 3, 4 and a radius 5 units. Which formula we have to use here? Here h comma k. Replace h comma k by 3, 4. The formula is the equation of a circle passing through h comma k and radius r units is we have x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. What are h k values here? H comma k is given. Here h comma k is equal to, point is given in the question. H comma k is equal to 3, 4 and radius also given. Radius is 5 units. Just substitute in this. Now x minus h, replace h by 3 here. X minus 3 whole square plus y minus, here put k is equal to 4. Y minus 4 whole square is equal to r square. R is nothing but 5 square. In the form of a minus b whole square. Expanding this. What is a minus b whole square formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. X square plus b square 3 square minus 2ab. 2 into x into 3. 2 into 3 6x plus again expanding this y square plus 4 square minus 2 into 4 8y is equal to 25. Implies x square plus 3 square 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 4 square 16 minus 8y minus 8y plus 25 will come this side, minus 25 is equal to 0. Implies x square plus y square. Next minus 6x minus 6x minus 8y minus 8y, here plus 9 plus 16 25. 25 minus 25 will get cancelled, is equal to 0. This is the required solution of circle. These are the standard forms of the circle. So next one is, now we are going to discuss about general equation of a circle. What is the general equation of circle? General equation of a circle. General equation of a circle. General equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of a circle. If x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a circle, then first one is x square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient, x square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient, and second one is g square plus y square, g square plus f square minus c is greater than or equal to 0. G square plus f square minus c is greater than or equal to 0. These are the properties. Now here the center is equation of a general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here the center is denoted by c minus g comma minus f, and radius is denoted by r. Radius is defined as g square plus f square minus c. Here r value, since here g square plus f square minus c is always greater than or equal to 0, because of in square root negative values does not exist. That is why g square plus f square minus c is always greater than or equal to 0. That's it. C minus g comma minus f, r is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. Note, in general equation of a circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. In that general equation of circle, if radius is 0, it's nothing but if r is equal to 0, then it is called a point circle. Then it is called a point circle. In the equation of a circle, if radius must be 0, then it is called a point circle. Second one, if radius is equal to 1, then it is called a unit circle. Point circle means radius is 0. Unit circle means radius is equal to 1. For example, Example 3. Find the equation of a circle. Find the equation of a circle having the center 2, 3 and the radius 4 units Solution. The general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Already her center is given. So we have used the formula here. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. In the previous problem, second problem also, we have to use same formula. Next one. Find the equation of a circle. Find the equation of a circle. Find the equation of a circle. One second. Find the radius and center of the circle. Center of a circle. Find the radius and center of the circle. X square plus y square plus 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Solution. We have to find here radius and center. Radius and center. A given equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Equation 1. Now here comparing with the general equation. Here comparing with the general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Comparing both. Here 2g, x coefficient 3. Here x coefficient is 2g. Then 2g is equal to 3. And the y coefficient is minus 4. Here y coefficient is 2f. Next 5c. c is equal to 5. From this g is equal to, here 2 will come down, 3 by 2. And f is equal to 2 will come down, minus 4 by 2 will get minus 2. And c is equal to 5. Therefore, the center is minus g comma minus f. Minus g comma minus f. Minus, here g is 3 by 2 comma minus f. Minus of minus 2, which is equal to minus 3 by 2 comma 2. This is the center of a circle. Next we have to find a radius. What is the formula for radius? Under root g square plus f square minus c. Under root g square here minus 3 by 2 whole square plus f square minus 2 whole square minus c, which is equal to whole root 3 by 2 whole square will be 9 by 4 plus 2 square 4 minus 5, which is equal to 9 by 4, 4 minus 5 minus 1. Therefore, radius is equal to under root. Here take LCM. LCM is 4. 9 minus 4, which is equal to 9 minus 4, 5. 5 by 4. This is the required radius of a circle. Here the center is minus 3 comma 2 and the radius is root 5 by 4. Thank you.